As your culminating assessment for our story, Flowers for Algernon, please make sure that you have all of your materials complete. You will need to have your anticipation guide, your facts on multiple intelligence, your notes in class. We took definitions on multiple intelligence, what IQ means, Rorschach test, and denotation and connotation. Remember, denotation, DDD. It is the dictionary definition. And connotation is the meaning that you get from those words. You also have your multiple intelligence test, which is those 30 questions that you answer to find out what type of smart you are. Your Rorschach test answers from those ink blots. Your Veterans Day work, the sacrifice and healing packet that you answered the questions on from our article. Vocabulary and reflection for the story. The worksheet on the punctuation. Some of you may not have this filled out, which is okay. And your discussion questions 1. You also have your worksheet, your Charlie chart, and discussion questions 2. Your progress report 13 is what I would like you to create. As you noticed in our story, there are only 12 progress reports. Progress report 13 is going to be from a different point of view than Charlie. So you may choose from the characters like Miss Kinnean, Dr. Niemer, Dr. Strauss, or any of his co-workers. You can even choose the boy at the restaurant. You want to create a progress report after you have found Charlie's note and he has left for New York City. This is going to explain what happened to Charlie, what you think his acceptance in society was, if the experiment was good or not, and also what we have learned about the mentally handicapped population. Last should be your main idea and summary chart. For every single progress report we read, you should have a main idea. To find main idea, you want to ask yourself those 3 questions. Who, what, and why. It should only be 1 sentence long. The summary at the bottom also needs to be filled out. This is for the entire story. So you're going to have your main character and then use those main ideas you have to create a summary of what happens throughout our short story. On the back of that, you should also have your characterization notes. You have a round character, round for real. Flat character, flat for fake. You have your dynamic or dynamite character who's going to change, and your static. Your static character is very annoying and does not change. Please make sure these are put together in the order you see here so that you may have your papers ready to go for your assessment in class tomorrow. Have a great day.